Alright guys, here we are. We are on the tail end of Snowmageddon.
Everybody will see more snow developing and more accumulations, so the snow part of the storm. One batch tomorrow, another batch on Monday. I'm expecting 5 to 10 inches of snow. It is the calm before the storm.
It is the calm before the storm. It is the calm before the storm.
Well, we are out in a blizzard right now. It's snowing like crazy. Snow is supposed to stop and let up, and it's not. And we jumped the gun, and we're heading out to the first stand, and it's pretty rowdy out here.
Well, we're going to attempt to find Shake and Bake's driveway to the farm here. I passed it up, as you can see, just kind of wing it through about 10 inches of snow here. Am I on the driveway? Sort of?
Yep. The tracks.
Yep. Tracks already.
Man,
There's
it's
tracks
rough
right there. Coyote tracks right there.
Alright guys, here we are. We are on the tail end of Snowmageddon, storm number 2 that hit our little state here. And the first snowstorm, we got about 10 inches of snow. We got about a half-inch sheet of ice. It ended up being a blanket. We had snow and then ice and snow on top of it. How many days ago was that?
Like 6 days ago.
6 days ago. We literally are on the tail end of storm number 2, which has dumped about 6 more inches.
In places, yeah.
And it's going to continue to snow for the next 2 or 3 hours. We're anxious to get out here. We're supposed to go later, but we're going to go ahead and jump out here. We're going to get out here and try it. It is cold. Coyotes have been hard pressed for food for days now. The rut's on. And it's time to make it happen. We're going to shoot for a bunch of coyotes tonight. And get out here and see what we can do.
We're going to try. It's still snowing pretty good out here.
Yes, it is. We are back at it. Hopefully we can produce something tonight. If not, we're going to do the best we can do. What do you say?
That's it.
Shake and
Let's
bake.
get it, bro.
Let's go. She comes. When she drops down that dip, I'm going to turn her call off. Get my hand on my weapon. coming hot. Shit. You want her or you want me to take her? Huh? I know. Do you want to shoot her or me? She's gonna be looking. I'm gonna have to get my. That's what I thought. Where's the second one at? I don't see that. I am recording. Yeah, I see her coming. She goes down this dip. I'm gonna switch sounds up. Okay.
All right, she's down. She's down. Go. There she is, 12 o'clock. 12 o'clock. 162 yards. 162. Take her. 162. Let me stop her. Take her. Take her. Ooh, there we go, baby.
Here. All right, here we go, boys. I broke out the toboggan. It got cold. I got cold.
It's cold.
Break the stand down real quick. We got in here, the old, we're going to start calling this the honey hole. This is the spot. We got a triple year before last, a double last year. We actually got a single at the end of last year. Now we're into 2025. Started out with female invitation. This coyote answered. Ooh.
It was a poke out there.
When you first seen it, it was probably what, 500-600 yards?
600 something, I believe.
I feel she's every bit 800 or 900 yards over on this farm. It's actually property I used to hunt. I think it's where she was at. And hit her with a little rabbit. Didn't see nothing. Worked it for a few minutes and went into some sig kicking ass. Shake and bake spotter out there at 600. I rotated between sig kicking ass 1, 2, and 3. Accidentally hit rabbit. She's still coming.
Didn't matter. She came in on a string, 150 something yards, maybe 40, maybe.
Chest on shot. Humidity's horrible, and the thermals don't look too good. Wind's blowing right to left, and she was working the wind, playing the game. Another coyote down here. It's pretty awesome. But stand number 4, we're just now getting meat on the table.
Yeah.
We're gonna get the Ranger. She's in a pretty bad spot inside this cattle farm. And actually the cows are moved, but what we'll do is we'll open up the gate and drive out there and get her. All right, yeah.
Let's go check her out.
Go check her out.
Well, this was an adventure. We can't see much here, but this snowy hill, it took everything the Ranger had to get up it.
About guarantee that's gonna be a female.
Yep.
center punch. Snow dog. How's that light look?
Good.
Well, first one of the night. It's after midnight. I don't know what, probably pushing 1 o'clock. I have no idea. But the front finally went through and it stopped. And we're a firm believer in getting out after the front. Seems like a lot of times around here before the front, then foxes move. So we're after the front. First good response we had, right? We heard dogs behind us, but they're across the road. There's houses in the way. This one was actually part of this farm that we heard respond, and man, she came a long ways. Center punch 22-250. Now the drag begins to the Ranger, and we'll load her up and go get another one. Put her over here so the light bar still works. All right, let's go.
Yeah, we're in some pretty deep snow out here. You can't really tell right now, but about 6-8 inches in places.
And coming up this steep hill in the Ranger and low 4-wheel drive straight up this hill, once you break down to the ground, it's a solid sheet of ice. So 2 or 3 runs at her, but the old Ranger, baby, still going after. Yeah.